We're a financial crime podcast.
Of course we talk about the news most impacting you, from new regulations to budget allocation to implementing sanctions.
Then we match that with the stories making headlines with a fin crime twist. From Elon Musk's banking plans to Gen AI scams and debanking scandals.
We're a financial crime podcast. Of course we're going to bring you the best guests from the industry, including MLROs and head of compliance from leading financial services and banking.
And we also offer a wider perspective from journalists, fraud victims, startup founders, politicians, and many, many more.
We're a financial crime podcast. Of course we're going to host the most amazing live events on stage.
We're a financial crime podcast. Of course, we're dropping season 5 with 12 new episodes.
And of course, if you're watching this, you should be subscribed by now.
I'm listening to the Laundy.
We're a financial crime podcast, but of course, we're much, much more than that.
Money makes a world go round. It makes a world go round. Money makes a world